Meiosis begins in the interphase of meiosis 1. Here all the DNA is replicated in the S phase and transforms the 46 chromatids into 46 chromosomes made of two identical sister chromatids. The two same number of chromosomes are called homologous chromosomes. Then in prophase 1, the nuclear membrane begins to dissolve and the centrioles begin to form. Then in metaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes line up at the metaphase plate and the meiotic spindle forms. During this time, a process called crossing over can occur between homologous chromosomes. It trades some DNA with the corresponding homologous chromosome. Now the results in a chromosome with two identical sister chromatids. This is because the homologous chromosomes will always be on other sides of each other, so each daughter cell will have only one of the homologous pair. In anaphase 1, the meiotic spindle pulls apart the homologous chromosomes, so each side of the cell has 23 chromosomes with two identical sister chromatids. In telophase and cytokinesis 1, the cell splits into two daughter cells and with one of each homologous pair inside. Now begins meiosis 2. There's no interphase 2, and in prophase 2, not much happens. In metaphase 2, the chromosomes in the cell line up on the metaphase plate. This time, there's no crossing over. In anaphase 2, the chromosomes are ripped apart into the two non-identical sister chromatids. In telophase 2 and cytokinesis, the cell splits into two more daughter cells with 23 chromatids in each. However, none of the four resulting cells from the original parental cell is identical because of the crossing over and the random assortment of the non-identical sister chromatids. This increases genetic diversity in a population. Finally, if you are a male, you'll produce a sperm gamete after meiosis. If you're a female, you produce egg gametes. During mating, the egg is fertilized by the sperm and a zygote is formed. After lots of mitosis, if the zygote survives to mature, the individual will in turn use meiosis and produce its own gametes to reproduce.